Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys have an amazing day and hope you guys are ready for today's reaction. Well, I brought a music creator here who's going to be joining me to react on Carpenters Rainy Days on Monday. His name is
The Tiger, yeah.
So you can pop into his channel and also enjoy his content. He's a great creator and you're going to love his content too. So thank you so much once again. So let's watch and let's see how incredible Carpenters Rainy Days on Mondays is. Let's go.
Talking to myself and feeling old.
Her voice is so
Sometimes I'd like to
comforting.
quit. Nothing ever seems to fit.
Oh,
Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got, baby, is called the blues.
This guy's voice is always amazing.
Feeling like I don't belong.
suits the soul.
Oh, it's so good.
Hanging around, some kind of lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do.
She's even playing drums and
Run
singing.
and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Crazy.
Funny, but it's
She's a good drummer. Like, she's good.
only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around.
Is this his hand?
Nothing to do.
No.
I'm shocked.
Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
Whoa, this is incredible. Korean always makes me so happy. Like whenever I'm listening to a song, I'm always so happy. I'm excited. I'm loving the music. Like it's something else, and it's really, really amazing. Like it's really amazing. I'm not gonna lie. What do you think about this beautiful music?
I mean, her voice is so soothing. It's just a food to the soul. Like in Black America, they what they call soul food. But for me, I think this is just musical soul food. I love it so much. It's
Yeah,
just
it's
so
really
good. You
amazing,
could see when I was
and I
listening
enjoy
to it,
it.
my eyes were closed because it felt like I was having a religious experience.
Thank you,
Oh
thank
my
you.
God.
Like it's not. It's just something like you're just feeling it in your soul, and you just want to
Yeah.
listen to the voice. You just want to focus on the voice, mostly on the voice, and just feel the music
Yeah, it's
through your
crazy.
vein, through your body, and just flowing so well. And
Oh
it's
my God.
just so amazing. Like I really did enjoy it so much. So hope you guys really enjoyed watching this with us. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also please do recommend more music video for us to react on. See you guys on the next video. We love you guys, and please don't forget to hit on this channel and also do support this channel. Thank you so much. We love you guys.
Bye, guys.